Hello people and welcome back to yet another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. This one is going to be packed with all sorts of crazy road moments caught on driver's dashcam, so make sure to stick till the end because you'll surely enjoy watching it. All the clips used in this episode are for educational purposes, and now, without any further ado, let's get this episode started. In our first video, the camera managed to film some crazy drivers who caused a great danger to everyone around them with their careless driving. Take notes and avoid these types of mistakes.
Some friendlies around you, but it's a little bit risky. I want you to go in and say, hey, it's a National Day of Prayer, and I think Christians have got to take a moment and think and pray and thank God that we still live in a country where God can the kind of thing that seems so complex that you might avoid dealing with it altogether. Listen, don't do that. You can get rid of those really high interest rate credit cards and debt. Now is not the time for hesitation. What you need to do is get somebody who can help you, somebody who's on your side.
Semi-truck driver dangerously cut another vehicle off instead of waiting for a few seconds to let him pass first. He was willing to risk everyone's safety because he was impatient. Never act like this in traffic. Semi-truck driver had to deal with two crazy drivers who nearly got him involved in an accident. One of them dangerously passed him, and just moments later another driver cut him off way too close.
Fucking 40 miles an hour on the freeway.
Pay close attention at the driver in front of the camera. He stopped in a box junction even though it's illegal to stop there. Some drivers simply don't care about traffic rules at all. Check out this cool and epic footage of a hero biker doing a good deed of the day. He parked at the side of the road and he made sure these ducks crossed the dangerous and busy road without getting run over. Camera caught a state trooper responding to the accident on the road, and hopefully the ones involved in it are doing fine. Much respect to the police for serving the community and doing their job. With this clip we conclude another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching and learning a thing or two from all the mistakes you saw, because it's always better to learn by observing others rather than making the same mistakes. If you like my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. While you're there, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to stay up to date with the latest content. Until the next episode, drive safe and eyes on the road.